Beautiful people of the world, welcome back to my channel. Today we're just gonna be vlogging in the afternoon. So if you want, just keep tuned for the vlog. I'm gonna start watering the garden and we might go to the park later on with the kids, but yeah, just stay tuned for that. Guys, so we're going right now to the park. The kids are in the back. Say hi, Manny.
Hi.
Say hi, Jaden.
Hi.
And the princess is in the middle. My husband is driving. We should be there in a little bit, so I'll see you guys in a few. We are at the park. Yeah.
And there's a playground over there.
Yeah, we're gonna go right now to the playground so the kids can play. And yeah, we're walking towards those woods. And towards those woods are the playground. Letty's getting strapped into the tiny little stroller because she's a hot mess when it comes to, you know, parks. She wants to eat the sand, she wants to eat the grass, she wants to eat everything. So yeah. Wanna have a race?
Yeah.
Run, Jaden. Run! Run! Go! That's the only way I can get Jaden to stop pushing the stroller, because he always wants to push the stroller and he gets on my way of doing it. They're running all the way over there. Wait for us, Manny! Wait for us! And we're gonna go to the swing first and swing them around a little bit. And yeah, I love this park because it's just whole like woody and nice and like a fresh air. This is what I tell you guys. Look at him. He wants to push Arlette. Look. You go, buddy. We didn't got no mosquito repellent, so wish us luck with the mosquitoes. That's for sure. Yeah. Swing, come on, mama. Hey, Dinky. Do the monkey bars. Come on. Hold on. Let me see. Is it this one you do? This is the ones you do normally, right? Manny wants to show the monkey bars. He's a monkey bars pro. Yeah, you got to the finish line. You did a good job.
Awesome.
Yeah.
You can climb up here.
You gonna climb up there?
It's easy to climb up here. How can easy climb up here?
No, Jaden, you're too little to climb up there.
Yeah. Go use the stairs. I look on the stairs.
Arlette is trying to climb the swing. I mean the slide. Dinky. Got to go down the slide with Arlette and see the reaction. Mama, you don't get scared. You're such a good girl, princess. Go, yeah! Go back, go back, go back, go back. Careful, Jaden. Oh no. No, you already did those. Guys, so I want to show you guys the park around a little bit. So there's a lake like all the way over there that I'm actually gonna walk over in a little bit and show you guys. It's pretty nice, but what I like about this park is that there's like a trailer that you can go and walk around, and it's pretty decent. I have gone, I think, half of it, and it's very nice. Like you can actually see like the deers, deer's footprints, I think, and all that. So it's pretty nice. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the little duck pond in a little bit, and you can actually go fishing there also as well. But yeah, it's very nice.
Hi guys.
Loose.
Keep up there to lose.
Oh no! Come here, baby. Always falling.
We're gonna still race.
Huh?
Let's go. We're gonna still race.
No, Jaden busts his little butt.
Let's see who's faster.
We can see the lake from here.
2, 1.
From here. Hold on, let me see if you guys can see it. There we go. Vamos a ir allá, amor. ¿Dónde están los botes? Come on, guys. Don't go down there. Te vas a caer. A veces.
I'm gonna race you. Racing.
No more racing.
Let's see what's happening.
I feel like
Mama, listen.
Pocahontas.
Walking, Mommy.
Those things actually burn. There's a bunch of cow crows here. Whew. Yeah. We are coming down the stairs. Jaden's, how's your boo boo?
There's that water. That's water.
Yeah.
I scared that water. That's water.
I love having adventures like this with nature and just seeing what nature is capable of doing.
Look.
Oh my god, there's wiggles. Manny, don't run! We're walking through a bridge where there's water everywhere. And then we are in the area, I guess, where you can walk. And you guys can see the water right there. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Look at that. Hubiésemos traído comida para los patos. Mira dónde vienen. They have like little rowboats. I guess you can rent them out so you can, you know, go around. Apparently you can fish here too, but it's pretty nice. It wiggles. Jaden, you're not scared?
Nah,
You're not scared! Don't get too close to the water though.
Oh, it's crocodile. Crocodile. Crocodile.
You see the quack quack?
Yeah.
Let's go see them.
Run.
Run! Let's go see them. Ten cuidado, amor. Oh my god, mira, ya están grandes. Cuando vine la última vez, they were little babies. And that's Mama Goose. She's the angriest bird. Do you see, guys, Mama Goose? There she is. ¿El qué, amor? She does. Oh my god! Amor, ¿lo tiene quebrado?
No sé, mira que el otro también.
Oh my god, that's disgusting. Do you guys see that? Hold on. I'm gonna flip the camera just so you guys can see that. Give me a second. Hold on, guys. You see his leg? His leg, like his little feet are on top of him. Is that normal? Look at that one. That's disgusting. It's like, are their feet broken or that's what they are doing? The mama duck is over there. Quack, quack.
What?
Oh, the little ducks came back. Oh, look, they have another little duckies.
I wish they could come.
Look, guys. This is so beautiful. So beautiful, guys.
See both.
Look at that. Enjoy this view. Enjoy this beautiful world that we have
Pickle.
in our hands and my little family. Look how the thing wobbles. It wobble, 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 wobble.
It's gonna break.
La 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 la. Manny! You almost fell.
No.
Chicken!
I'm gonna jump in there.
No, you better not. I'm not taking you.
If you
I'm not ready for swimming.
If you push me.
No, I'm not pushing you.
Push me.
I don't want to. I think I'll get arrested when the cops are upstairs. By the way, we sneak in here. So hopefully they don't come and kick us out. But look at this little bridge. I want to come and do a photo shoot here. Like with the kids and everything. It's pretty sickening. But yeah. It's pretty nice.
I'm gonna go see the flag.
Oh! This is so beautiful, guys. Who won? You won? Did Daddy let you win? This reminds me of my country. Of my country streets, how they are and everything. Very nice. I love this life. Look at this street, guys. Yeah. If you're from Honduras, you know what I'm talking about. Central America and all those little calles, like little streets where all the little pueblitos are. Like this truly reminds me of that. And the kids are, I don't know, probably got tired already and laid on the table. I'm struggling here with the stroller and Letty's chilling there like nothing is happening. Right, Arlette? Right? And I'm pushing you and killing my hands to push you. Yeah, mama, yeah. Going back home, so I see you guys when we get there. I'm just gonna do like a little egg and avocado salad for dinner, and we're gonna kind of crunched up some tortillas so we can eat with the wok. Yeah, and I might, you know, cook something for the kids so we can have some for dinner, and then we would just chill for there since we've been running around all day like crazy, and I only had a chance to vlog in the afternoon, so I'm pretty sure the vlog is gonna be short, but I wanted to get something up already. And yeah, but I'll see you guys when we get home. And we're back home. I'm gonna wash my dishes right now because I have a lot of dishes dirty. And I already, like I said, I already boiled the eggs. I have them boiled in the stove. And I'm just gonna make like a egg and avocado, and I'm gonna add some cilantro. I got fresh cilantro from the garden, so it actually makes the whole avocado taste better. But yeah, so I'm gonna start washing my dishes. Hopefully once I'm done with this, I can show you guys how I can make that salad. But it's pretty easy. Pretty much I boil some eggs. I like a lot of eggs in it. Then I kind of chop the avocado, put a little bit of lemon, cilantro, a little bit of garlic powder, and salt and black pepper, and that's what, you know, I usually mix it. And then the tortillas, I just put them in the comal and just heat them up, make them a little crunchy, and that's what, you know, we'll have for dinner. Yeah, I'll show you in a little bit how I do that salad I told you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how I do my little avocado and eggs dipping sauce, or whatever you want to call it. So I have my parsley here, which I'm gonna chop. I have my lemon, I have my avocado. By the way, it's one avocado. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of adobo a little bit of garlic powder, black pepper, and salt. And I also got obviously my eggs. So I'm gonna chop the cilantro, and I'm gonna show you how the cilantro. It's up to you. If you like big pieces of cilantro, I guess you can leave it a little more crumbless, or bigger the crumbs, or bigger the pieces. But I'm gonna try to chop it a little bit in the medium size. I got this parsley from my garden. I mean, cilantro, parsley is a whole different thing. So I chopped it like this, and I'm just gonna pour it in my little bowl I have here. And then for the avocado, I pretty much just gonna cut half of this and start throwing it in there like that, throwing it in my little bowl. Piece there, and then the semilla right here, the little seed. Ugh. And that's how you take a seed from avocado. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna cut it. Ooh, slippery. And I'm take it out. Cut it. Take it out. As for the, bueno, pásame una cuchara. Thank you. So this is how it's looking. So I'm gonna pour some salt. I'm gonna pour some garlic powder. And this could be at your taste, whatever you like. Obviously everybody has a different flavor. The adobo, I'm just gonna add a little bit. And then the black pepper is the one that you can grind. And for the lemon, I'm just gonna add a little dot because my husband doesn't like it as sour as I like it. So, and then pretty much you can just start breaking it off with the cuchara or with the knife. I like sometimes using the knife because it's better. I don't want to chop it, like mush it that well, so that's why I don't use the blender, or I don't use anything else, because I like to leave it a little crunchy and a little chunky. So it's kind of looking like that, but I'm gonna, you know, keep mushing it and cutting it with the spoon until it's fully, I want it in the middle ways, not too big and not too small pieces. Feel like it makes. I like a lot of eggs in mine. I don't know about you, but you can try it with less eggs or more eggs. And this is how the salad is looking. I'm gonna show you. Look at that. And we usually just wrap a little piece of tortilla, we wrap it around the salad, and voila. I'm gonna taste it. It definitely needs more salt and a little bit of more garlic powder, but other than that, it's pretty good. And I think I'm gonna close the video for today here. So give it I kind of choked into a little piece of egg. So yeah, just hit like on the video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully I'll be back soon with another videos, and I hope you like my little easy and healthy little, you know, egg and avocado salad. It's pretty good. You can try it and let me know if you like it on the comments below. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in another video. Take care, my loves. Bye.